Hi everyone and welcome to another YouTube episode with yours truly TJstark. Today we're going to look into the speed effects in Wondershare Filmora 11, and of course we're going to look into those effects when it comes to gaming videos, because gaming is what I do. So let's go. Slow motion, speeding up, I think most of you already know what it's all about. If you don't know, maybe you know the very famous movie scene from Matrix where he's dodging the bullet. If not, take a look at it right here. It basically makes you viewers more interested in your videos and makes some part of the video more dramatic. It depends on what you're gonna do. And we're gonna watch into those effects, how you do it in Wondershare Filmora 11, pretty easy. And of course, we are going to watch one of my clips, or we're gonna work on one of my clips that is a gaming video. So, because gaming is what I do. Let's go over and see how we work on it in Wondershare Filmora. If you haven't downloaded Wondershare Filmora yet, be sure to hit the little download link that I have in the description of this video to download Wondershare Filmora, install it to start being able to use this awesome program. Start by opening up your Wondershare program. Be sure to show the aspect ratio or the resolution you want to work with your video. I usually go with 16.9 widescreen when I'm gonna do my YouTube videos, or 1.1 when I'm using my social media. In the program, you can drag and drop your files into the important media files right here, or you can just press it to upload it directly. Now, when we have the video, be sure to drag it to the timeline. In this part, I've chosen to mute the video, don't hear anything, so I can explain it easier. So, in the video, you want to find where it's most dramatic thing that you can maybe do a slow motion on. For this one, I have it when I'm jumping off the bike right here in the air, falling down, start shooting at the enemy. So now if you want to slow-mo the video, or like a part of the video, be sure to clip that out. So I want it to happen in this exact moment here. So I go in on the video in the timeline, right click and press split, or you can use the Control B to split it. How long or how much do you want the video to go in slow motion before it goes up to the original speed again? You want to find that area, and it's gonna be around here before kill him, kind of like there. And then you want to split it again. I usually take this video or this file over here and drag it away a little bit to just work on this one. So this one is the one that I want to work with, the slow motion thing. Right click on the file, go up to speed, and then you have something called uniform speed. So in the uniform speed, I can change the speed to go faster by dragging it up, or I can make it go slower by dragging it down. And in this part, we want to make it slower, maybe around 50%. When I release it right here now in the Filmora 11 program, it will pop up and make it longer, because now it's a slower video. Let's see how it is. Pretty cool, huh? I want to show you something else that I'm usually doing with all my gaming videos. I want to drag that away. I want to copy this one that is the slow motion, put it down, put it right after the other file with the slow motion, so I have two of the file just starting off right exactly after each other. Press the last one, go over to speed, go to reverse, press that one, and it will reverse the video. And this is a pretty easy and cool effect in the gaming video. Something else that I like to be working on when it comes to speeding is that we can have this clip rolling like this, right in the moment when we get the shot, right kind of like there, and he's falling down, you see right here. I usually clip out this moment, go over to right click this one, speed, and do add freeze frame. So a freeze frame is just taking, basically it's taking the picture right here and just make it like a picture, just freeze that moment, so it becomes something like this. And what I think is cool here is that I usually work with this freeze frame, and you can just drag this in the timeline like here to make it less seconds or more seconds, it's up to you.
But what I like to work with this one is that I think it's pretty cool when you do the freeze frame right after a shot, is that I go over to the effects menu. And then you have all these cool effects that you can put into the video. Usually the ones that I'm working is calling something like chaos. The chaos is making the picture moving. And we have something called mile that's in the chaos. This one. Put this one here. It's gonna make the picture a little bit more alive, like moving like this. Then I usually add something on it. It can basically be the chromatic aberration or something else. Like you can decide whatever you want to looks cool in the video. And it makes the... And then after that, add a transition to move it over like pretty smoothly and cool into the next clip. Pretty cool, huh?
Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button or the thumbs up if you like what you see, or the thumbs down if you dislike what you see. Either way, I'll see you all again soon, and thank you for watching this.